We are back out here with Daniel Armstrong, Captain Daniel Armstrong, Lake Tawakoni. We're gonna get on those cats. This time we're doing something special. We're gonna be catching catfish for people who need meat. After the Texas storm, a lot of stores were depleted of meat, fresh meat. So we went ahead and cooked some turkeys last week. Now we're gonna be feeding people some catfish, so let's do this. Y'all ready? Let's go, let's have some fun. We're gonna catch probably a lot of catfish, mostly small, but we're gonna get a few large ones, so let's do it. There's Captain going down the ramp right now. What's happening, fellas? Have I met you?
Not yet.
I'm Josh.
How you doing? I'm Zach.
Good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you.
Y'all ready?
Oh yeah, always ready.
What's up, brother?
What's going on?
What you know?
Are you gonna be my good luck to find some baits this lake today?
I'll be your good luck.
I hope so.
Are you gonna be my good luck and we won't have wind? We're supposed to get maybe 20 miles an hour, I think. Are we catching food or monsters or all the above?
All the above today.
I love it.
We're gonna catch bait too.
And bait. Oh, we're gonna tear it up.
Anything to give us the time.
We are gonna tear it up. I hope y'all are ready for it. 'Cause here it comes. Welcome back to Duck Cove. I woke up tired, but I'm pumped. I'm excited. Which one of you need to be relaxing in this today? We won't. We'll be netting something else. One of those would be nice. Captain's here to get some hand-me-down bait because he's afraid he can't catch any bait. So he's a little bit embarrassed of it, but we're gonna be sure that we're catching fish, whether we get some fresh live bait or we get some used up bait. By the way, Zach, I just met you. Why don't you tell the folks about your Instagram and whatever else you got going on, your guide service?
I'm Zach Langford. I fish with Guaranteed Guide Service most of the time up on Lake Texoma. I'm on Instagram, Zach the Guide. We do a lot of striper and catfishing, so give us a shout.
Yes, sir.
Hit us up.
All right, y'all check it out. And he is pretty much family to Captain Armstrong. There he is, the walk of shame, bro. Cannot believe you actually had to get bait from somebody. Huh? Hey, man. Hey, hold your shoulders back, man. You be proud. Don't be ashamed that you had to get bait from somebody.
This is the backup plan, just in case.
I like backups. We're good with that, man. Let's see it. That looks good to me, and they're kind of small.
Eagle Mountain Lake Shed.
Nice. Let's do it. Let's go do it. But we're gonna try to catch some fresh bait first, right?
Yeah,
We're gonna go for fresh first. That's fresh is always best.
Fresh
this is
always
fresh.
best.
Sweet. That's fresh too, man. You'd much rather have them live though, right?
No, I just want them bigger, you know. Like,
At
even
least
though
that big.
you don't see them a lot bigger, but they're a little bigger.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, it's 62 degrees right now. High at 70. I think 10 to 20 mile an hour winds.
Bait's down there.
It's down there for sure. Alligator gar.
30 catfish.
7-foot alligator gar. See that big one, the gizzard shad?
Yeah, the bigger ones. We got another big one there.
Sweet. That's what I'm talking about. And you were worried, man.
And I was worried, yeah, we got about 8 catfish. Alright, so those are good baits. Awesome.
Beautiful. Whoa, he jumped right in there.
I don't know how you made it in there.
He jumped right in there.
Oh, yeah. And a little kitty cat.
Here, let me see. Aquaponics. Yeah. He still got his umbilical cord on.
Will you get everything out of that for me? Yep. Set all this stuff back there. I don't know where
Cute little catfish.
make this easier.
There's another little cat. There's 2 or 3 little catfish down there.
I love catfish, man. They're my favorite. They're one of my favorite pets. Aside from the alligator gar. What's up, little buddy? You got a little overbite or what? You suck your thumb on this baby? Pretty little fish.
Those are Zillas right there.
Shadzillas. Put that guy between 2 pieces of bread, huh?
If you got hungry enough, they'd probably taste
Hey,
pretty
I'll
good.
try it. I'll try anything once or twice.
Hi, Mickey. How you doing this morning?
He's just giving a shout out. Daniel likes the big ones, man. You don't like the little. You don't mess around. He likes
Big or go home,
he
man.
likes the big baits. Well, that's that's the way I am with the alligator gar.
Yeah.
Throw this back here with his buddies.
Yeah.
See you later, buddy. Have fun. Your little shad party. What you got, man? Oh, they're all catfish. They're all do it.
There's a hybrid in there.
Ah, he's got a hybrid striper. Look at that. Fatty.
You still got the pliers in there? No.
This is gonna be fun. All right, Daniel's gonna need help. Somebody has to video.
We'll set them.
You hit the mother load, brother. Son of a spanky. What the heck did you do, bro? Looks like a Christmas tree.
Well, there's a limit of catfish.
All cats.
Y'all can have the net too. Come here. Come get it.
Don't come over here.
Hey, free net.
Free net.
Free net. It comes with dinner too.
I mean, these are good whole fryers.
You just stick the whole net in the fryer. Daniel, I think we should move. Oh, dang, dude. I don't think that's even funny.
It's not funny.
Dang. You know what? You're bad luck. Maybe both of us here as a combo is bad luck.
Maybe.
Well, I think, you know what? He's catching fish. That's good luck.
It
We're
is.
just-
I mean,
We're
catching
just,
something.
we're just don't need it to be in a net and not catfish.
I don't know what's worse, an empty net or a net full of catfish.
No.
Oh, seriously.
Empty net is way better.
Yeah, he'll take an empty net. And we're gonna be
It's
here.
gonna take a while.
We're gonna be here for a minute.
Yes.
Oh my
Take a slurp
goodness.
getting
How many
hot.
would you say are in here, Daniel? Captain?
If there wasn't 50 plus, I'd be shocked.
I guarantee there's 50. More like 100, dude. This is what you don't want. You do not want to catch catfish in a cast net. Not only is it illegal, but it sucks because you have to, obviously this is what you have to do. One at a time, you try to get them out.
I got one out.
And look at that, he got one out. He's celebrating that he got one out.
Yeah.
Hey, 99 more to go, brother. It's safe to say the population is doing great.
Yeah, population count. Very good.
We'll never go hungry at Tawakoni.
That's right.
right, it's gonna be the first place that we're gonna attempt to catch catfish. Check out all the slime cats. There you go! Oh
yeah, that's a perfect eater there.
Beautiful. There's an eater. Yes, sir.
Beautiful Lake Tawakoni blue cat.
Gorgeous. Good job, buddy. Zach takes one. One on the board. Beautiful. Show that on the camera.
Had to break the ice there.
All right. Good job, buddy.
There's
right here.
one.
Boom.
For the fryer there.
You can launch that back out, Zach.
Man, he almost let
No,
he almost let dinner go, man. Fish out of your net.
Yeah.
One fish at a time. What you got? How many left do you think?
Just a couple.
Nice. We had close to 100 in there, man.
There was a lot.
Over 50 for sure.
That was the most I've caught in the net before.
Hang in there. We're about to catch a big one. Right now, we're catching a couple of eaters in here. Captain's saying fishing's been real slow. It's been real tough. That freeze did something. It really threw them off. The small shad during that freeze, a lot of them died. And so you'll find these catfish, the smaller catfish, have a bunch, like 5-pounders, whatever, have a bunch of obviously dead shad in them. Goal is actually, Daniel contacted me. He said, hey man, maybe we can catch some fish for some hungry people that don't have meat, can't get it at the store or can't afford it. So it'd be nice to catch a bunch of fish, which we did in the net, which is funny, but that's not legal. We can't keep those guys. A lot of you are wondering why we released the fish out of the net. That was a perfect eating size. A lot of you watch from Philippines, different country. You would never ever throw food like that back in the water. Well, it's different here. We have a ton of food, we have a ton of fish, and it's not legal. They consider it a game fish. Time to catch some fish. There we go. Get it. Go for it. I saw it too. I think it was on camera. I think we caught the whole thing. I didn't know let Josh get it. I was filming birds. I was filming birds, bro. What you got? What's it feel like?
I feel like another good eater.
Eater, for sure.
Yeah. What it feels like. They full.
Sorry.
Beautiful, man.
The guide's coming out.
Habit.
My bad.
Beautiful fish.
Look how big his belly is.
Oh, look at that belly. All shad, I bet you.
No, I bet it's gross.
Yeah, we're gonna look into it later on when we get to the.
He's had
to the dock.
He's had a buffet down there.
Yes, sir. Where's the other one? There he
He's
is.
over there.
He's just hanging out.
All right. Hey,
There we go.
that's awesome. Yeah, we can't wait. We have to hit it right away because they'll go sideways. They'll get tangled up in the lines, and it'll be a nightmare. So
Wrap up in these random stumps.
yep,
out here.
in the stump. So you got to hurry up and get them straight line, beeline right to the boat. So hey, that's number 2
Number 2.
right here.
There we go.
Boom. Smoking catfish, baby. Let's do it again. Wait, tight.
There he
Get
goes.
him.
Oh.